Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can rename projects like app or website projects in your account on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to Lovable AI and you can do this from the overview or editing overview of your project. So let me go with this one here, and in the top left you will see the given title. If you'd like to rename it, click into the drop-down menu. And here navigate to your project's settings. Alternatively, you may simply go to rename project and do it from here. Rename it for example something like that. Excuse the typo here. And that's it. You have up to 100 characters for that, guys. And only your members, your workspace members, will see the project name. Of course, not visitors of the published app. Click into save. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.